all I need. You're all I see when I close my eyes and dream. You're all I see. You're all I need, all I need, all I need.
Bergen was lovely, and the funicular up the top was really good. Really enjoyed that. Lovely day. We've driven out about 40 minutes away from Bergen, out onto one of the islands on the coast, right on the coast, because we're hoping it's going to be a nice sunset tonight. It's a really busy car park at the moment. Only 4 motorhome places here. It's a lovely restaurant, beautiful harbour. We're lucky to get in. We had to wait. Somebody came out the restaurant and moved, so we managed to get in a space, and then somebody else moved, so we've manoeuvred to a better place. 200 knock for 24 hours, an extra 100 if you want electric. So we don't need the electric, but we've paid again to park because look, this is just beautiful. This is just beautiful. Let me turn it round so you can see exactly where we are. Right on the coast here. Sun's going to go down over there. Should be quite nice and peaceful. This is the restaurant everybody raves about. Obviously all set out enjoying the sun. Beautiful little marina. I can imagine this is going to be really lovely tonight. So we're going to relax and we're going to have a bite to eat and hopefully sit out and watch a lovely sunset from up the top there. Cracking little drive in, really narrow coming round the corner here, but it was alright. As we came around the corner we saw all the vehicles and I thought, oh dear, now we're going to get out, but managed to manoeuvre it. Did like a 38-point turn, got in a space over there, then moved straight away because somebody else moved, and we've managed to park here. So not level at the moment. I'll get the ramps out and we'll level up at the back. There's one other motorhome here. He's on hookup. He's from the Netherlands. Most of these cars will disappear this evening. There's some apartments here. I think they rent. There's a couple of people in them, so we'll see. And it's parking by a system called VIPs. They need like an ID number for it, which we don't have, so I phoned the number and spoke to the lady. She was very helpful, and she said that's okay, if you haven't got VIPs I'll send you a link on text message and you can send the payment via transfer to that. So that's what she's going to do. Oh my word, I may get to swim. I did bring my trunks. Wow. Yeah, this is going to be lovely. I'll climb up the top and hopefully catch a sunset. This is a beautiful place to spend the night. And there's a sauna. So tomorrow morning we'll have a sauna. Who knows? Bit boggy. Oh look, pick up a penguin. Wow. Have a look at the sauna. That's padlocked. No salt water on the oven, only fresh water. I guess there's a number somewhere you can call. Sit and have a sauna, look at that. How about that on a nice winter's evening or morning? Imagine the place caked in snow. And there you go, you're sitting there. Get all toasty. Nice. So look at the toilets and showers that are open 24 hours. There's a washing machine, washing up area, ladies' toilets, gents, 2 toilets, and a shower. All looks really good. Mustn't grumble about that, looks quite clean. Hi. It's all done out in the Norwegian brown cheese colour, which is very cultural indeed. Yeah, I think so. You'd have to pay for the washing machines either. No, it looks like there's no slots or no coins or no tokens. So I guess washing and drying of your laundry could be free as well, which is quite a bonus. Yeah. And they're open 24 hours, that's quite good. Oh, beautiful little setting. How quiet it's going to be tonight. There's houses over in the background, right on the side of that rock. People still out paddleboarding. Nutters. I think these are rented accommodation. Looks like one of them might have people in this evening. Like I say, car parks now getting empty, so when we got in I did phone. She said, well, it's very busy in the car park, I don't think you'll get in. I said, oh no, I've parked okay. She said, okay, if you parked then that's fine. Now if we'd have gone away and come back now, then you're going to get in. There's 4 spaces, so, and the hookups over there, which we aren't using. So yeah, I guess good weather, good time of year. You need to, might be a potluck whether you're going to get in. Certainly worth a try. Beautiful location. In the morning it's going to be grey and raining. Oh well. So we've made the short walk, all of, 50 yards to the little seating area where we're going to chill and have a beer. Cheers. Wait for a beautiful Norwegian sunset.